Hey guys, I'm Kent and welcome back to my channel. I've got a really simple installation today for my Honda SCL500 motorcycle. This is really one of the most practical bikes that I've owned to date. It's very easy to ride, it's very comfortable to ride, and while I am making modifications to it, unlike some of the other projects that I've had where I've modified it to the point where I'm either too scared to ride it or it just becomes less practical, this bike is going to continue to be a rider. One thing though, from a storage perspective, if I want to go pick up something from the store or drop something off at the mailbox, I need to throw on a backpack. Today I'm going to install a rear luggage rack to help make transporting things a little bit easier on this bike, and then this bike just that much more functional. So I've got a product from Kemimoto. This is designed specifically for the Honda SCL500 and the CL500. It's comprised just of 3 easy parts. This is the rear mount itself, or the luggage rack that's going to end up right about here. And then just 2 brackets to hold it together that mount on the side bolts, something like this. Then I think there's 4 bolts that go down the top, 4 bolts for the side, and that's about it. It even comes with the Allen key. So just wanted to quickly show this installation. We'll find a bag, I'm sure I've got one from Kemimoto, to throw on the back, and we'll go for a ride. So I have these cute little dress-up washers filling the stock bolt hole, but backing them out is the same process as backing out the stock one. And just for reference, this is the stock one that you probably have in your bike currently. So just using an Allen key, quickly backing these out. And doing the same on the other side. Okay, now ready to install the Kemimoto luggage rack. The kit comes with 4 bolts that are a bit longer than the stock bolt to get through the mount itself. The kit also comes with an Allen key. So I'll start just by getting everything lined up. I'm not going to actually tighten things down until we're sure that everything's aligned correctly. All right, so everything's almost snug, still a little bit of play. Now let's get the actual rack on. So it should just line up something like this, and we have the 2 holes here and the 2 holes here. Again, don't tighten these down until we get this alignment correct, and then we can cinch everything nice and snug. And now with those snug down, we can cinch down the bolts holding the side brackets on. And that's it. So great shape and profile. I love how the cutout here is perfectly aligned with the seat. A lot of space on the top for storage, and overall a really clean looking product. So let me find a bag and see how we cinch it down on this, and then let's go for a ride and see how it fares out on the road. All right, so I've actually got here my bag that I use at the track. I've got my, I'll show you inside, tire warmers and extension cable for my 12-inch tires on this bike or the other Minimotos. So I'm not sure which orientation. I'm thinking this is probably the better orientation, given that I've got a lot of width here and not as much depth. I think that looks pretty good. Also, no reason that I can't have it go over the seat a little bit. So let me get that strapped down. All right, I'm not a pro at cinching things down, but there are hooks on the frame itself to either pass cables through or attach clips to. I'm going to try to just use 2 of these underneath the frame. We aren't going to be riding far, but I'll put 1 more strap for good measure. All right, let's see how that does. The profile is about on this bag the same width as the overall carrier. Again, it's not taking up much of the seat. I could actually push the bag a little bit further back if I wanted to still have a passenger there, but since I'm going to be riding single, plenty of space. All right, let's go for a ride. Okay, so a very solid product. Functionally, it works really well. I like the profile, the shape. The matte black matches the rest of the black on the bike. Really good product. Thank you, Kemimoto, for sending me this to review, as well as all the other products that Kemimoto has sent to me to talk about on this channel. So for those of you that have stuck around to the end, I will link to this product in the description below. For a while after this video is posted, there will be a discount code if you'd like to get a discount on purchasing this product yourself. And then I'm going to give away this particular one. So I'm going to take this off the bike, box it back up, and ship it off to one of you. So just leave me a comment in the video description. You can talk about this particular product, Kemimoto, the SCL500, my build, the channel, or anything that you want. And I will randomly select 1 week from when the video posts a random comment to send this over to you. So please keep an eye on the comment, because I'll reply to your comment asking for your information to contact me on Instagram or email, so that I can get your shipping address to get this out to you. But yeah, really appreciate all the viewership. So on products like this, want to be able to share them with you. So leave a comment in the next week. I got a lot of other videos still planned for this bike. A lot of other products are on the way. I really like this platform. It's it feels kind of like the Grom, but it's a bigger bike that I can ride around like a big bike. And anyway, enjoying it. So anyway, thank you all very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.